Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Google Forms to make a quiz or how to make a quiz in Google Forms. The first thing you want to do once you're on the Google Forms main page, as you can see right here, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, and right here you see template gallery. You're going to tap on that. After selecting that, you're going to scroll down until you see education, and right below education you're going to see blank quiz. You're going to tap on blank quiz. After selecting blank quiz, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you're going to add your quiz name. So for example, I'll simply put test. After you have done that, you can also make it bold or italic if you want, or you could also underline it, and you can also add your form description, so you can give a small synopsis of what the quiz is about. So you could add in anything right there. So this is midweek test. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down, and from here you will see untitled question. So you could put in your first question right here. So you could type in anything. After you have typed in your question, right at the right hand you will see multiple choice. So you can tap on that, and you can select whether it is a short answer that you would want, a paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, or drop down. So you can select any one of these options. For this example, the first example, I'll use multiple choice. After you have selected multiple choice, you can put in the answers. So for example, 1, add another option. So you can put the second option if you want, or you can simply put 1 right there. Then you'll put another answer right there. So for example, 5 to 52. Then you can put in another option. Then for the fourth answer, you could put in a 5 right there. And also you will see where you could add an image. So for example, if you want to add an image to the particular answer, you can do that. And the beautiful thing about Google Forms is, being it a product of Google, you'll be able to also use Google Images. So let's say for example you want to search up an image to add to your Google Forms. You can do that by selecting Google Images. So for example, I could type in, let's say I want to add a pic of a bird. I could simply type in bird, and as you can see right here, I can select any one of these birds to use. Then you'll simply tap on insert in the bottom right hand corner, and now you'll see a bird is added, as you can see right there. Once you're finished adding your answers, you'll tap on answer key, and after selecting answer key, you will select which one of these is the correct answer. And then in the top right hand corner, you're going to see points. So how much points does the individual get for answering this question correctly? So they'll get 5 points. Once you're finished, you can also add answer feedback if you want. So you could tap right there. Then you're going to tap on done. After you have selected done, if you would like to add more questions, all you have to do is tap on the plus right here in the top right hand corner, and from there you'll be able to add your second question. So you can type in your second question. After typing in your second question, let's say for example, instead of multiple choice, you want this to be a short answer. So you could tap on short answer. After selecting short answer, you can see right there, the person is provided with a line right here to provide the short answer. Then you can also tap on answer key, and you could type in the correct answer, and then you can also add the points that you would want, and you will also see the option to mark all other answers as correct, or put in the correct answer right there. And you could also add an answer feedback right here if you want. So let's say for example, let me tap on done. So let's say, for example, with the first question right here, let's say the person gets it wrong. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say the person gets it wrong. You can tap right where you see answer key. After you have selected answer key, you are going to see add answer feedback. So from there, you'll see the option incorrect answers. So let's say the person gets the question wrong, but you want to show them, or you want to give them a source on which to do some research so that they will know the correct answer. For example, you could put a link to the website, or you could put the book page and say they would need to read back that book page to find the correct answer. And you can also see right here correct answers, and you could enter your feedback. So once someone gets the answer correctly, you could put in good job, and here you'll tap in incorrect answer. So you could type in, as I said, you could put in a reference, or you could say try again. And then at the bottom right here, you could simply tap on the link, and you could add a link for the reference so that they would be able to do some research, that the next time they do the quiz, they'll be able to provide a correct answer. Another thing that you can also do is at the top right here, you will see the option in the top right hand corner, customize theme. So let's say you want to spice up the look of your quiz. All you'll have to do is tap in the top right hand corner, right where it says customize theme. Then you can select choose an image, and you'll be able to change the header image. From here, you could choose one of the preloaded images. So you'll see numerous options you can choose from, or you could choose to upload an image. So you could choose to upload an image right here. But for this example, I'll select one of their preloaded images. So I'll simply tap on this particular one. Then I'm going to tap on insert. And also, if you would like to change the font style, you can do that also. And you can also change the question style right here. So if you like to change the font style for the questions, you can also do that, as you can see right here. So I could select any one of these options. So let's say I want to change it to this font style. You can also change the size of the font if you want. And you can scroll down, and you could change the color. So you can select any one of the colors. And by the way, with Google Forms, any pick that you put right here, you'll be able to choose a color from any one that you'll be able to change the background with. Once it is to your liking, you'll simply scroll back up, and you're going to tap on the X to close out. And another thing that you can also see right here in the right hand corner, otherwise from add question, you'll be able to import questions if you want. And you can also add image, as I said earlier, and you could also add video to your quiz. And by the way, if you want to add a section, you can also do that by simply tapping on add section, as you can see right there. So you will now have section 1 and section 2. And once you have sent out your quiz, which I will show you to do, by tapping on responses right here, you'll be able to see the responses. And by the way, at the top right hand corner, right where you see the 3 dots, if you were to tap on that, you can select how you would like to get responses, whether you would like to get it via email, or you can select the destination for your responses, or you can link a Google Sheets if you want. And once you have selected any one of those options, you will automatically receive your responses. And if we were to go into settings, right here you can see assign point values, set answers, and automatically provide feedback. You can leave this on, or you could toggle it off. And you'll also see below that release marks. So you can choose whether you want to release the marks immediately, or you would like to review the quiz before and then release the marks later. And you can also choose whether you want respondents to see which questions were answered incorrectly. So you can toggle this on or off. And you can also choose the correct answers, whether you want respondents to see correct answers after grades are released. And you can also choose the points value, as you can see right here. And you could also set the default question point value. So let's say, for example, you are giving out 10 questions and each correct question would be 10 points. You could simply type in 10 points right here, so that would be default for the correct answer. So they'll know that 10 questions would add up to the 100%. And you can also see responses. You can manage how you collect responses. So you can choose to collect an email address by toggling this on, and you'll be able to send responders a copy of their response if you want. So you can select that when requested or always. And you can also scroll down and you can decide whether you would require them to sign in. And then you can also see the presentation area. You could tap on that. So you could toggle on show progress bar, so they can see how far they are progressing in the quiz, how many questions are left, and all of those stuff. And you can also scroll down and you'll see other options of how you can edit your Google form. Once you have edited it to your liking, you could tap on the eye icon in the top right hand corner to preview how your form looks. As you can see right here, this is how it looks at the moment. And then to go back, all you have to do is tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right hand corner, and it will bring you back to your form. And once you're finished editing your form and it is to your liking, and you can see the total points right here, you're going to tap on send, which is the big blue button at the top right hand corner. And you can choose how you would like to send your Google form. You can choose whether you would like to send it via email, as you can see right here, or you could tap on the link icon, and from here you can choose whether you would like to share the link, and you can also shorten the URL. So you could share this URL right here, and you can also send it via Facebook, or you could send it via Twitter if you want. And by the way, if you would like to paste this Google form on your website, you could tap on the website link right here, and from here you will be able to embed the form on your website. And you can also change the size of the form right here. Then you'll tap on copy to copy and paste the link on your website. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.